Let's have a closer view at this product in closer detail.
Here's the elegant Hamilyeah gold wall sconce light fixtures for the living room, bathrooms, kitchens, hallways, and more.
Here are multiple views.
In this video, we'll be demonstrating on how these look throughout the day and giving the details of the materials that are used that you can benefit from by using this product. But first, let's start with the quality thick tempered clear glass shades that help illuminate brightness. Currently, we're looking at this light during the day. These heat-resistant light sockets hold dimmable E26 bulbs, which extends the lifespan of your light bulbs and is compatible with LED, CFL, incandescent, and halogen E26 bulbs. Here's the light fixture shown at night. You even have the option to use a LaView security bulb camera. The matte black and gold metal that is a durable die cast is powder coated for anti-rust and enhanced for waterproof protection. Note the LED light bulbs are not included. The tempered clear glass shades are available for replacements.
If this video was helpful and vibe with you, please visit our product link below in our description for the product information. Also, comment, like, follow, and subscribe for more product videos that we'll be sharing.